Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode of Roblox Dev Diary. And today I wanted to show you the next game I'm working on, and it's called Sledge Survival. So let's try to start it. As you can see, there's a leaderboard. We have a slope, yeah, of course, one way, only down. So there are several spawns for sledges. You can sit on one and you can start riding down the hill. So the objective is to get as far as you can and avoid obstacles, since if you hit, for example, a tree, then you get a damage. And it's not so easy sometimes. And the funny part, if you do like this, oops, then you see what happened. Okay, so the slope is quite long, or well, it was quite an effort to create a slope. But yeah, you can actually reach the end if you're lucky in maybe 1 minute, or well, maybe less. So let's try to survive. Okay, so what I've got so far is the leaderboard, just the simplest one. So the points are being calculated based on the how far you could get, and how fast. So the faster and the farther you get in more points. Of course, I'm on the top since I tested it the most, I think. Okay, so let's show you some background. So this is the slope. It's quite long. There's just a normal slope with the mountains surrounding. Then you can reach the cave, and then there is like a so you can basically fall from the cliff, and then in the very end there is a little bit of lava and this narrow slope. It's getting narrow closer to the end. So yeah, here I decided to stop since I was not sure if anybody will like the idea and if anybody will play. Okay, so I did run just so I did the first release, and then I did run just a small advertisement company just to get some initial plays. And of course I did screw up the user interface. So if you select the device emulator, then if you run, so on the touch screens I thought, okay, so maybe one button would be sufficient, since yeah, by default you can use touch and control the sledge, so move forward, backward, left, right. And I thought, okay, maybe the one button which is explicitly visible for braking would be necessary. And of course nobody understands that this is the brake button, and when they spawn they obviously see this only button and then decide that this is the like acceleration or going forward, and of course they start going backwards right after the spawn, so which is unfortunate. And some people, they figure it out that they need to use touch, some not. And yeah, so this is like a stupid mistake, UI design, but yeah, you need to be aware that you need to think about it, that how the users perceive the user interface. Okay, so oops. So the next steps would be for me to somehow polish the gameplay and, yeah, of course, fix the UI, so it's more obvious where the controls. Like I'm going to add the left, right button and forward and backward or brake buttons, so nobody gets confused. And the next would be the maybe to add some coins or achievements, so people can earn coins and maybe buy some cosmetic or maybe some skins for the sledges, or maybe different sledges, or I don't know. Yeah, so but this is the next step. Okay, I hope it was interesting. See you next time. Ciao.